Trugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla ukarat sangma hene kesengi ke khandai terik unopra arajar arpau ulai Kynduh karpang ya ulat ke Jylla usat diapal malik manya Kren Halor ki ardeli kimat kata Kamegalia Residence Safety and Security Amendment Bill arajar arpau bat ka inner line permit habai Kren bat kinong tok kebuar hadin baldep manya Kynduh ya ulan Myntri Rangbah ulai itu ba kejingnya Kynduh kalong ka basaiso Parna kaliang ulat ke Jylla haka khadnyau terik unopra arajar arpau unsalai chedelhi mat unsaya Kynduh ya Myntri katanat korbari banyak Kren Halor kani kapang.
We had discussed about the issues of MRSSA and also ILP, and again similarly as I was mentioned earlier, and which was also expressed by the Honourable Governor, that he is concerned about these issues and that he will be taking up the matter also at his level along with the Home Ministry, and he has also asked me also to parallelly also follow up with this matter, and he has again expressed that the concerns of the people of the state are important to him also, and that he will do his best from his side to discuss this matter with the MHA and try to move this forward. So we've discussed this in detail, and the Honourable Governor will be going post 17th of December to Delhi, and he'll be meeting the Honourable Home Minister and other leaders to discuss this matter. So we hope that we'll be able to find a positive way forward. He has seen the entire file and he's seen the entire bill, and he feels that it is something that is doable and possible, and but at the same time he feels that this matter still needs to be discussed with the centre, because there were certain concerns earlier, and because of that this bill did not go through at that point in time. So therefore it will only be appropriate to discuss it with centre, with MHA specifically, and that's what he will be doing. So I think it's a very positive message that he has given to me, and he said that he will definitely do his best to discuss with them and try to move this forward. For that, we'll wait for that. As I said, the Honourable Governor is going to take the matter up at his level, so we will wait for that, and then we will see how things unfold. But in the meantime, we are obviously in touch with the central government on a continuous basis. Thank you very much.
Thank you.